Hola, hola, what up everybody? Ndiko batanganeza panalicha. Yo, guys, you know what it is, man. So, for some of you new or Aubreaction, ikuyo visa like a track, ine abo do feature wa Ziggy, do feature wa RUDE-KID VENDA, do feature wa NTRS and CROSSWAVEE. So, yeah, we are done with the beat. We are done with CROSSWAVEE chorus onopanga tiri. Hoto sorry like anipampo navege Ziggy apose yeah we verse kati na RUDE-KID VENDA na NTRS. But today okay ndini fisenyano zawudi niko expecta beat ya hano, expecta chorus ya hani. We gonna get it right. I'm telling you guys, aninga di sorry hapa. Let's go. Ndozifana bewe zori ya hapo kwa muziki straight. So come on, man. So a beat yetu on CROSSWAVEE adoba apangana huku. So first verse idoba ina Ziggy, second ina NTRS, and the third verse idoba ina RUDE-KID VENDA RKV. Apo godo jina Ziggy ndeno na doba Ziggy adoba kusuba one ya. That off. This beat all thanks to CROSSWAVEE. After all. Yeah, ndo none Ziggy adoba kusuba ona nepa ti udoba chikorwa nepa Ziggy basongwa ngwazo ndi Ziggy ndi CROSSWAVEE ndi NTRS na RUDE-KID VENDA. Now ugo da chorus ine awori opangwa ga CROSSWAVEE, and then you're gonna enjoy it. I'm telling you. Or na RUDE-KID VENDA is very motivated. I'm telling you. Or na wono mwazi buses in each ni dolira wana mkala ni do paveyo. I'm a rocket in the sky. They too shy, cause I'm the hardest nigga alive. I'ma put you in the eyes, see you dripping with your homicide. Got my guns on my side, left and right. Don't you test me, please don't get too muddy. Please don't text me, please don't act so sexy. You niggas so lazy, mommy we keep chasing. I'm too wavy, this beat is too shaky. If I go see. Rofara malungu enda tidowiyesa hapa Ziggy lila panga chikuwa ndia zdewa RUDE-KID VENDA nga chikuwa, and then una NTRS dale pa touch chivenda nyana futi ni kori yo way bana wa mkala, and then niko vala, and then dodo ndi dovala nga RUDE-KID VENDA ngongwana dodo ndi dovala ngaye ore abe na pressure nyana abana bo musinda ngepanda atozwifa zori azidaz kubya bad. Yeah, it's the RUDE-KID VENDA, yes, it's the Ngamanda, it's the half. Off. Yeah, that was the snippet. Ndo ndini fisenyano zabudi hapa udobo chikweti mini musi chiwe as live kati musi chiwo treke chiwo vaningi nga January ngozo wanted ndo vula mwa zabudi ngamanda treke ndo chikorwa ngamanda di treke abudinga ido treke abudinga manda. I'm telling you, ndo fara muliro ndo fara mathangana woriya odibuza uposa zi line afa odibuza uposa zi verse odibuza uposa mini aya mathanga nda fara pa ndo nguzango na beat it off. Ana flopa chingeriwe ngor beat yo dayo muliro. I'm so high, I'm a rocket in the sky. They too shy, cause I'm the hardest nigga alive. I'ma put you in the eyes, see you dripping with your homicide. Got my guns on my side, left and right. Don't you test me, please don't get too muddy. Please don't test
sexy, niggas so lazy, money we keep chasing, I'm too wavy, this speed is too shaky,
If I crosswavee, but crosswavee opposite muliro. So I'm telling you guys, it's like because I got big guns, but so we're gonna enjoy. That's all that I had for you today. Like guys, we're gonna be pushing this one. Mona snippet, like a snippet chakora nyana. You can WhatsApp me, can anatoma paka Facebook, and then I'll make sure you get it. Thank you very much, everybody. Let's go. Never thought I would.